welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets with a market update for September 4th, 7:43 in the morning. Let's start off with good old sterling yen. What the freak is happening in sterling dollar? Nothing. It is all dollar yen, and this is what we've been saying, or I've been saying for the last few days. Dollar yen is really ruling this thing. So has the marketplace lost its appetite for long dollar yen? Yeah, it seems to be that it's back now in a sell mode. You know, they're bringing the yen back home, which is understandable. Can understand it, especially with this political climate, economic climate. I mean, the United States is a mess, really a mess. So anyway, what are we looking at? Well, really the resistance right now is 190.95. Doesn't really do us much help right now. We're sitting really at 190.08 right now. So what's the possibility here? Well, in order for it to shake off the weakness, it does need to get through 190.20 on a sustained level. It's already done it. It went back up to 63 and then came right back off to the 190 figure, showing that there's sellers in the marketplace right now. So what's the point of break? Well, the point of break really is right around here. Now I'm going to go over a technique that I use, a lot. I like to look at a trending technique. I'm going to do a video on that, so I'll give you more of a background on it. And it was a philosophy that was promoted by Larry Williams, and he alluded to it. He didn't really just hammer it out. So I'm going to basically put my rules in on it. But anyway, so where is this thing right now? What's the state of this thing? Let me find my notes. All right, so we have support. The next level of support's 189, say 50. Okay, we tried to attempt it on this bar right here. We went to 189.72. Most recently, but the real support's 189. Let's say 189.45. Okay, let's 43. That's fine. It's all about the same. Where's this thing? Alt H. Alt H. Why does it want to do it? Okay. Alt H. There it goes. 189.43 is the level of support right now. Okay, if it can break 189.43, this thing's headed to like 189 the figure. Okay, and then it's right back to 188.20 after that. So how I would handle this, really, I'm looking to sell rallies really with good stops, and I have a trade on. I'm short at right now 190.58. Okay, and right now I put my stop on my entry. So that's, I'm sorry it's not really much help right now because it's the marketplace is kind of quiet. But watch that 189.43 level. If we can break that 189.43, it's really showing some weakness. The way that thing would break that weakness again and go back up into the range if it broke 190, say 15. After it breaks 189.45.50, if it breaks 190.15, then it's just basically staying in consolidating in a range. Marketplace really hasn't made its mind up yet. The big players haven't really come in and dumped anything. They're going to catch the small guys like us a little bit off sides, but it's just a number, to watch. Okay, so hang on a second. Let's move over to euro yen. Okay, good old euro yen. All right, right now we have support at 159.81. If we could break 159.81, we're heading towards 158.71. Okay, the only way this thing right now shakes off its bearish tone is a break and close above 160.60. Then we have another resistance point at 161.21. Right now, I'm on the sidelines in this. I'm watching price action. Again, I'm taking the idea that I would like to sell short-term rallies. So I'll leave it at these two currencies today, and I'll do that video that I promised on the technical analysis based off of Larry Williams, short-term analysis. And I'll see you on the next video. So please, if you like what you see, don't forget to smash the like button. Go over to Park Avenue Trading, get yourself a free ebook on technical analysis. It's a really cool book, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.